Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna start a new topic which is Unity game development using C Sharp scripting. So if you don't have previous experience in C Sharp scripting, I will teach you from the basic. First, you have to download Unity. Since I already downloaded it, you may refer other videos to see how to download it. So let's start by creating a new project. So you have to go to this area here where it says new project. So just click on it and it will take you here, and I'll just click 3D and you can name the project here. So I'm just going to name it test. Okay, this name already exists, so I'll just put 2. Okay. And this is where the project will be saved in your desktop. So now I'll just create it. So this will take some time, so just wait until that. So my project is created. So if you want to change the layout, you can just go to this layout area here and change it to anyone you like. And go here. So I like the default one, so so you have 5 default layouts. If you want, you can make a new layout by using these options here. So just go to the default one, like the default one, and you can drag and adjust these areas here. And this is the hierarchy that shows what all objects are there. So if I open this, there will be a camera and a directional light, which is going to be your sun. Yeah, that's the sun. It's going to be the sun. So you can click the left mouse button to look around, and middle mouse button to move around like this, and scroll to zoom like this. So when you create a game, you need to create behaviors to say what the game object should do. For example, you have a 3D car model and you need to make it move, rotate, move left, right, and everything. You need to create a behavior for that. So we'll be creating a C# script for that. So before we create a C# script, let's make a folder. So just left click here and go to create and create a folder. And let's name it scripts. So it's important to organize your project when you make a game. So let's open the script project. So let's create a C# script. So left click here, go to create C# script and name it script. So after you named it, you cannot rename it because this script name and the class name you can see here should be same. Otherwise, it will make some errors. So if you rename the script, they both will be different, which will make errors. So once you have created the script, it won't work by itself. You need to attach this script to a game object. So let's attach the script to a game object. So let's just right click on the hierarchy here, and then let's go to, so let's create an empty game object first. We'll create 3D game objects later. Empty game object will be better for now. So now just click on the game object and you have to drag the script and attach it here. You can also attach it in a different way by typing the name of the script, like just type it, just click add component and write the name of the script. So So the name of the script here is just script. So let's type script here. Script. Script. And now you can see that the script has appeared here. So just click here and it'll be added here. So that's how you can add scripts. So now whatever you do, whatever code you do in the script, it will now work. So you need to make sure that that the checkbox is ticked here, then only the script will work. So if you untick it, the script will never run. You need to tick it if you want to make it run. Okay, so now let's do some scripting that will actually do something. So let's open it. Just double click it, and it will open it in Visual Studio. And this is the default code you will see whenever you open a C# script. So do not delete it. It's needed. So at the start, let's type a function called print. And you have to add this, and then you have to add some quotations, and you can type anything you want, say hello, and then make sure to put the semicolon at the end. So the semicolon means this is the end of this command. Okay, so now let's go back to Unity and wait for it to compile the script. And also you have to make sure that you have saved the script by pressing Ctrl S or going to file and then just saving it. So let's go back, and now to run the script you need to go up here into this icon here, just click it, and then it will run the project. And now if you go to console, okay, now it has said hello. So that's what we have set the code to do. So if you have this unticked, it will not say hello. Wait for it to compile. As you can see, the script is not enabled, so it didn't say anything. So you have to make sure that's ticked. So when I ticked it, the hello came. So for beginners, this much is enough for today. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you. And if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.